Hi there, folks. Thanks for joining me today. My name's Andrew Thomas from MTData. Today, for TMC Online 2020, I'm going to give you a good run through on MTData telematics solutions and also particular emphasis on our fleet maintenance solutions. Okay, so first of all, MTData as a company. MTData is an Australian manufacturer of GPS telematics devices that go in the trucks, and we're also the original creator and developer of the software platform that our customers use, known as MTData Hawkeye. MTData has been operating for almost 20 years, providing GPS solutions to transport industry customers across Australia and New Zealand. And approximately 2 years ago, we were acquired by Telstra, and we are now a key part of Telstra's connected vehicle IoT strategy. MTData is a full end-to-end solution provider. Not only do we configure hardware and software for our customers, for our solutions, but we also have in-house technology and customer support teams that fully support our customers through the life cycle of their solutions. MTData is also a certified systems provider to a range of government accredited schemes, such as the IAP, which operates in New South Wales and Queensland, and this is a scheme for higher mass transport. MTData maintenance modules are also accredited with NHVAS and TruckSafe schemes. Here's just a few of our customers, our well-known customers. Most of these are running heavy transport fleets across a variety of industries, obviously transport and logistics, infrastructure, service industry, fuel transport, concrete industry, etc., etc. Okay, the core solution that we provide into heavy transport fleets is known as the MTData in-vehicle driver tablet solution. Okay, and this is essentially a tablet that sits in the cab of the truck that the driver is using day to day for all their tasks. They log in at the start of the day and they complete a pre-start checklist, a fit for duty declaration that they sign to say that they're fit to drive. And the system is a two-way communications platform between fleet managers and drivers. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools for driver safety, compliance, and efficiency, and it is extremely easy for the driver to use with minimal to no driver training required. MTData essentially offers two fleet maintenance options. The first one is actually maintenance features that we've integrated into our core product known as MTData Hawkeye. So not only does MTData Hawkeye provide the standard GPS tracking, reporting and alerting capabilities, but we've also picked out a few key maintenance features and included this in MTData Hawkeye. The main feature is a very easy to use scheduled service alerting and maintenance tool for allowing fleets to alert them when scheduled maintenance is due on a truck or an asset. And also we have extended this to provide color-coded view of trucks based on their service status. So if a truck is overdue for its service, it will be shown as red on the live tracking screen. Also in MTData Hawkeye, our core software solution, we can also grab engine data and alerts that are coming from compatible engine standards, the J1708 and 1939 standards, using the optional MTData CAN bus engine interface unit. And also with our fleet maintenance features in Hawkeye, we can also link in and get the defects that are raised by drivers using the tablet system when they're raising defects. Okay, the second fleet maintenance option that MTData provides is a fully advanced fleet maintenance and workshop management solution known as MTData Fleet Manager. So not only does this also handle scheduled service and maintenance, bookings and alerts, It provides a huge number of other features for workshops. And this includes the provision of electronic repair requests and the creation of work orders. When work orders are created, the system allows for a very detailed input of all parts, labour and all components relating to a service or maintenance job that the workshop is undertaking. Purchase orders can be created for third-party spare parts, and also the system provides a very detailed view of all assets and equipment in the Asset and Equipment Registry. Also, workshops at any time can see all work orders in the system and their status. And the MTData Fleet Manager solution also links in to workshops' spare parts inventories, and it can also link in with third-party spare parts ordering systems. Okay. The system also integrates with engine data from the MTData engine interface in the trucks, and also the defect reporting that is coming from the driver tablet when drivers are actually raising defects. A key feature of the MTData Fleet Manager product is that it provides detailed costings and detailed reports on all maintenance items that are attributable across a fleet. And this could be, for instance, a manager may want to see costs relating to tyres or lubrication or brakes, etc. And these reports are available freely with Fleet Manager and allows very fast and detailed information to be provided for enhanced decision making. Okay, the engine data that we get from the engine interface in compatible engines in the trucks typically flows through to a number of reports and alerts in MTData Hawkeye, as does fuel data, such as fuel burn and fuel economy information that comes through the engine. In addition to reports and engine data, we've also configured the solution so that drivers can have a view of live engine data. So what they're basically seeing is the data and the engine statistics that are important to that particular fleet. Really important pieces of engine data that drivers are interested in might be current RPM, current temperatures, current engine pressures, and also a 7-day view of fuel economy for that truck. That is also something that's incredibly important across the fleet. And if drivers are used to seeing this same data projected on any truck that they jump into on the MTData solution, then they're more mindful of their driving style and its impact on fuel. Okay. This is just showing you here how easy it is for a driver to enter a defect or raise a defect in the system with our driver tablet solution. So it's very easy for a driver to unclip the tablet from its charging holder in the cab and to do a inspection of the truck, a walk around, noting any defects and raising such defects in the system. When a defect is raised, it'll prompt the tablet screen will prompt the driver for extra information such as comments and photos. And when the driver completes the defect, this information is automatically uploaded and sent to nominated workshop personnel as a defect in the system that they can view and then take action upon. This screen here shows scheduled maintenance across a fleet, and it is color-coded, as you can see. So each line represents a truck in the fleet. As you can see there, the majority of the trucks have got the green status applied to them. That means that they're still very early on in their service interval, that maintenance has just been put onto the truck, and it's still a way off before they've got to actually be booked in for their maintenance. You can see there's 2 trucks there that are red. These are trucks that are actually exceeded their service interval and now have to be booked in urgently so that they can keep in line with their the manufacturer's logbook requirements. Other colours there, orange and yellow, these are also trucks that are getting closer to their scheduled service interval. So it's very, very easy for a fleet manager or a workshop person to see any trucks that are coming up for their services and to book them in. As mentioned, parts inventory, the fleet manager solution that we offer, the advanced solution, links in with the workshop's own local parts inventory. It allows workshops to add parts onto work orders, etc. And it's essential for tallying up and tallying up part numbers and automating the reorder process for spare parts for workshops. Also, our Fleet Manager solution, our advanced solution, can link in with online ordering for third-party spare parts, and it can also include such spare parts in purchase orders, etc., to the parts supplier. Okay, this screen shows how easy it is to basically set up maintenance alerts. There you're actually seeing a maintenance alert that has come through as an email on someone's phone. Maintenance alerting is set up in a two-part process. First of all, the first alert is a warning, letting a workshop person know that a truck is getting close to its scheduled service interval. If the truck is then not booked in for the service and that alert cleared, a secondary alert will come through when they are, say, 1 kilometre over the actual service interval. And that then sends a message to the workshop manager that, yep, this is urgent now, we don't want it blowing out, and they can then book that vehicle in for that service. One of the key parts with our MTData fleet maintenance modules is the ability to go back and look at any maintenance conducted on any asset or truck in the fleet. Even with our pared down maintenance view on Hawkeye, you can still go back on any truck and see any maintenance that has been conducted on the truck per time and date. And it just provides a very easy, concise view of all maintenance tasks completed on that particular truck. Okay. Now, our advanced solution, the Fleet Manager solution, provides incredibly detailed levels of information on maintenance items and checks and tests undertaken on any asset or truck in the fleet. So this really provides peace of mind for transport operators to know that they can go back and see what was done on any particular date. Okay, one of the key features of our advanced solution, Fleet Manager, is the ability for workshop managers and fleet managers to run detailed reports on costs, maintenance costs across the fleet. And this can be done to show maintenance costs across a particular product category. It might be lubricants, or it could be tyres or brakes. Costs relating to those cost items across the fleet is very easily generated in a report. And then from that report, you can actually drill down and see which trucks contributed to those costs for that date range. Also, maintenance cost reporting available in Fleet Manager allows customers to compare different makes and models in their fleet across different maintenance cost groups. The key outcome of using MTData fleet maintenance modules, which is the MTData Hawkeye version or the advanced fleet manager version, is that it ultimately promotes minimal vehicle downtime for the fleets. Unexpected vehicle downtime basically means that there's lost earnings and lost revenue for the business. Okay. Particularly bad is when there is an unexpected breakdown. This not only means lost earnings, but it also means a great amount of inconvenience and cost to get another truck to replace the truck that is broken down on the side of the road. If maintenance schedules are being maintained in line with manufacturers' logbook requirements, then the risk for vehicle downtime is greatly reduced and profits are increased. Fleets that are running MTData solutions, particularly with our maintenance modules, really can rest safe knowing that this solution is NHVAS and Truck Safe accredited. Thanks very much for tuning in to this session today. Really appreciate it. This is pretty high level information that I've given you today, but if you would like more detailed information and a tailored system demo, then we're happy to do this at any time. Please contact me on the email address or phone number below, and I'll be delighted to book you in and give you a very detailed view of our solutions. Thanks again for your time today. Great.